In today's video, I'll show you how to watch K-dramas or Korean dramas using a VPN. If certain Korean shows aren't available in your country or your local platforms don't have the latest releases, a VPN lets you unlock Korean content instantly. Before we start, there's a link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. It's fast, secure, and one of the most reliable VPNs for streaming K-dramas without buffering. Once you install NordVPN, open the app and log into your account. On the main screen, you'll see a world map and a list of all available countries. To unlock Korean content, simply choose South Korea from the list. This will give you access to Korean streaming platforms and Korean libraries on apps that offer region-specific content. After selecting South Korea, press Connect. And once NordVPN is connected, your IP address will appear as if you're in Korea. Before opening your streaming app, go into NordVPN settings and switch to the NordLynx protocol. It's the fastest option for streaming and helps reduce buffering, especially for HD or 4K K-dramas. After that's done, open your preferred streaming platform. This could be Netflix, Viki, Disney+, or any Korean website that shows dramas. The platform will now load the Korean catalog and show series that weren't available in your region before. If a specific show still doesn't appear, just switch to another Korean server inside NordVPN. Sometimes one server works better than another depending on traffic, and NordVPN gives you multiple Korean servers to choose from, so you'll always find one that streams smoothly. You can also enable features like threat protection and obfuscated servers if your network tries to block VPN usage. And that's how you watch Korean dramas using a VPN. Install NordVPN, connect to South Korea, switch to NordLynx for the smoothest performance, and enjoy a full library of K-dramas from anywhere in the world. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and unlock all Korean content easily.